Unraveling, solid proof. What does it really mean? Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English easy and fun. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, solid proof. This is a term you might come across in news, movies, or when reading about science or law. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just what it means, but also how to use it in conversation. So, let's dive in. What do we mean when we say, solid proof? The word, solid, here is used figuratively to mean, strong, or, reliable. Proof is evidence or argument establishing a fact or the truth of a statement. When combined, solid proof refers to evidence that is highly credible and convincing, leaving little to no room for doubt. It's the kind of evidence that can stand up to scrutiny and challenge. Why is solid proof so important? In many aspects of life, from science to law, and even in everyday decision-making, having solid proof means you can be confident in the truth of a claim. It's what separates fact from fiction, and certainty from skepticism. For example, in a courtroom, a case with solid proof is much more likely to result in a conviction. In science, a theory supported by solid proof is one that can be widely accepted as truth. Now that you know what solid proof means, let's put it into practice. Here are some examples of how you can use it. 1. The jury found the defendant guilty because the prosecution presented solid proof of his involvement in the crime. 2. We need solid proof before we can publish these findings in a scientific journal. 3. She didn't believe my reason for being late until I showed her solid proof. The massive traffic jam on the highway. Notice how in each case, the phrase is used to signify that the evidence is indisputable or very convincing. It's also helpful to know the opposite of solid proof. Sometimes, you'll hear about circumstantial evidence. This is evidence that suggests something might be true but doesn't prove it directly. It requires an inference to connect it to a conclusion. Understanding the difference between solid proof and circumstantial evidence is crucial, especially when discussing legal matters, where the distinction can determine the outcome of a case. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, solid proof. We hope you now feel confident understanding and using this term in English. Remember, knowing these specific phrases can greatly improve your fluency and comprehension. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more English language tips. See you in the next video.